Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Creative Queen X. Welcome back. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back. It's so good to see you. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 7 DIYs and Christmas hacks which I hope are going to be really useful for you guys. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so to glam up the tree, I'm using some snow spray. This is such an easy way to glam up your tree, make it look really Christmassy, snowy. Please make sure you guys do it outside. I'm doing this inside just for the video, for demonstration purposes only. But yeah, just do it outside, I would suggest you. And I just think this changes the entire look of the tree. I really love how it looks. So this is, guys, how my Christmas tree looks right now. Honestly, I really love it so much. I bought this tree for about £4 and I just glammed it up a little bit with the snow spray and ornaments, and it just looks so beautiful. You can put some gifts underneath the tree as well, or ribbons on top of it. If you want a different kind of look, you can personalize it according to your own needs. Yeah, I just wanted to give you an ideas what you can actually do to a little tree. And here it is. So another trick, guys, it's really eco-friendly and very useful hack for Christmas or any other occasion really. I've shared this with you guys, I think last year as well, but I'm gonna share it with you again. Just wrap up your gifts with scarves, and it's just a really beautiful way to show someone that you care and that they can actually reuse that scarf as well. And you don't need any kind of wrapping paper for this, and I just think it's really beautiful way to wrap up any kind of small or large item. It's really easy as well. All you need to do is just put the item nicely in the middle, flip it over, and just tie in a few knots, and yeah, that's it really. You can also add some kind of ornament in between or some jewelry in between, or just to glam it up a little bit further. Yeah. So guys, during Christmas we sometimes can end up getting so many Christmas cards that we don't even know what we're gonna do with them. So for this, I have a really good idea for you guys. All you need to do is grab all your cards all together and cut them according to the size of a gift tag, and that's it. And I'll show you guys what to do with it. So once you've cut out all the cards nicely, put them in the laminating sheet, and what we're gonna do is Simply turn the laminating machine on, wait for the green button signal, and then just insert all of it inside. Wait for all of it to come out from the other end of the laminating machine, and that's pretty much it. And once they come out, they are gonna look something like this, really shiny. So guys, once these labels have been laminated, now what we're gonna do is just cut them as per the right size. Just carefully do it, and just simply punch in some holes in them and insert some ribbon or some kind of string around the labels. So over here I've made lots and lots of the gift tags. Some of them are very Christmassy, some of them are not, so I can use them again for other occasions as well. Just punch in the holes, and that's pretty much it. It's really, really straightforward. Also, guys, if you don't want to turn all your cards into gift labels, there's another way you can use these cards. You can make them into an art gallery. Just cut the front of the card and stick it with some sellotape behind it on your wall or anywhere you want. It just looks really, really beautiful. So another thing I wanted to share with you guys is this DIY Christmas advent calendar. I made this one for my brother. I just think it's such a beautiful idea to gift anybody on Christmas, or you could also do like on a countdown for their birthday as well. I packed different gift items for him for each day with a sticky note as well, like something funny or something quirky on it with a nice message. It was just like a really beautiful way just to describe the items which were going to be inside. I just think this was such a nice gift idea for anybody of any age. You can personalize the items as per the choice of the persons. Yeah, you can also put some books in it as well, some sweets, some perfumes, or whatever the person likes, really, some toiletries, or yeah, anything useful, really. This hack, guys, is actually one of my favorite ones. I really, really love it. All you need to do is just apply few drops of essential oil of your choice. I personally like the citrusy smells, like the lemon, orange kind of during winter. They just smell so wintry, Christmassy. Um, yeah, I absolutely love these. As soon as someone enters your house, they're going to smell them. This hack, guys, is really, really useful. You don't need any nails or any kind of other hardware tools. All you need is these sticky hooks. They are really, really handy to have in any household. Just let it sit there for about 24 hours so that it's really, really sticky and it doesn't come off. And then you can just insert the wreath on top of it, and it should stay there in place. It shouldn't fall off because you've let it set there for 24 hours. And I really, really like how convenient this product is. If you are gifting someone a gym bottle, why not go a little bit like an extra mile and just insert some um, sweets in that bottle? I think it just makes it look a little bit extra and cute for Christmas. You can actually do this for any occasion, but I really wanted to give you this idea for Christmas as it's a Christmas video. And yeah, I just think it looks so adorable, guys. I really love it so much, and I would like to have it as a gift as well. Well, you can always make gifts for yourself as well. And yeah, that's my idea. So that is it, guys. Let's wrap this video right here. It's the end of the video. I hope you watched until the end, and I shall see you soon in my next one. Bye bye, take care, and stay safe.